penguins, here we go. Waddle to the beat in the frosty snow. Flippers out, touch your knees. Are you ready for a penguin freeze? Penguin march, 1, 2, 3. Tap your toes and follow me. Waddle wide, then waddle low. Slide your feet across the snow. Freeze! Don't move now, stay icy cold. Hold it, okay, go! Penguin march, waddle low. Freeze like ice, don't let go. Penguin march, tap, 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 spin around. But freeze right back. Slide to the left like a frosty breeze. Slide to the right, try not to sneeze. Flap your flippers, wiggle your tail. Jump like penguins on an iceberg trail. No wiggles, no giggles, stay frozen tight. Hold it, and go! Penguin march, waddle low. Freeze like ice, don't let go. Penguin march, tap, 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 spin around. But freeze right back, slow-mo. Penguins moving slow. Waddle, waddle, here we go. Now fast, 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 keep up the pace. Penguin race across the ice. Statue time, no sound, no move. Hold it tight, now find your groove. Go! Penguin march, waddle low. Freeze like ice, don't let go. Penguin march, tap, 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 give a cheer. The penguins are back. Shake out your flippers, tap your toes. Give a frosty penguin pose. Thanks for marching in the snow. See you at the next Penguin Free Show.